Hey, it's Expired Cubing, and today is Halloween, so I'm gonna do scary stuff, also known as clock, everyone's least favorite event as of the beginning of 2020, before the cheat clock came out. I had a clock before that because I live in the southeast and everyone here does clock for some reason. I don't know. So I bought it and then I did it. Except this isn't actually legal, so I just use someone else's at comps. Uh, I also don't practice. I don't know why I have this. I just assumed it would be good when I got it, and then it wasn't, and that like made me not like clock, like all the other people. So yeah, I'm gonna do example solves with this because that's frightening. In other words, that are scary and relate to Halloween. So we're gonna do that now. So let's scramble. Oh wait. Scrambling is stupid. Upright. Okay. So this is actually kind of not good. Uh, so I would try and solve my three pieces because that's how I start off solving the clock. I solve two edges with the center and then just do the other two. And I would probably try and do this by putting. Oh, these pins are falling. That's probably why this isn't legal. I would put these two down, hold this one up because this one's stupid, and I would just do the move and then put that down, put this up, and then do this move, and then that solves all three of those. See, all four of these. These are four cross pieces, but the center doesn't really count. See, the thing is with that, I didn't solve this on purpose, but I'm just gonna appreciate it and act like I did. Wait, I just said I did. Continuing, I would have just aligned these four with this and then moved them up so they face 12 and then flipped it over like this because it's faster. And then I would have also done the same thing where this piece aligns with this piece, and then I would have just, oh my god. Oh, this is why I suck at clock. Okay, there we go. So that means these pieces are solved, and these are also aligned unintentionally, but I'm gonna act like I did. Wait. You didn't see that. See, okay, so now all the clock pieces are solved, and I can see that this pin and this pin, which you can barely see because of glare. Oh, it's my tripod. That's cool. Okay, that this pin and this pin are facing the same direction, which means I can have them both down, but only if they're diagonal, and I could still align them, so that's easy. And then I would also see that the same case has happened here with these two pieces, so I would just do that and then solve it. So then all facing 12, which is down because the clock is upside down, and this one's all facing 12. So that wouldn't be easy enough, unlike most of my other clock solves. So yeah, that took way longer than I thought it was going to, so I'm only gonna do two. So let's do the second scramble now. Okay, this pin doesn't want to go down. Okay, there we go. This is another scrambled clock. It sucks. Okay, so I would just be looking and flip the clock over. I'll see that these two are already aligned, which would actually mean that I can move this clock. This should be up. They fall, gravity. That'll move this clock to align with that, and then I would align those two with this, and then this with this, which is only move the one up. So that's weird to explain. I would do the second because I can just remember that, and then you know, do whatever. And then next, I would look at this and be like, oh, cool, that's a weird thing. And this pin is up too. So I would just move that to align with this, which you can barely see because it's stupid clock face glare. And then I would just like move this pin up so so these two are unaffected. Oh, that's worse. And then just like do this. So then all these three are good, and then just and then just like do that, and then put this up. Because if I put this up, bad clock tips. If I put this pin up, then it has to move like all of these and also this instead of, so it's less pieces, so it's easier to turn. I don't really think that would matter if my clock didn't suck, but it does, and I can't really do anything about it. So I would do what I said last time. This pin is already up, so that's kind of convenient. Do that, and then just like, oh cool, I could do that too, and then that, and then that. So that's all my clock face pieces, like cool. And then I would start with bottom left. Yeah, no, yeah, that is my left hand. I would start with bottom left because that's always what I do. So I would start with bottom left, solve this, then I would go to top left, and then solve that, align them, put that pin up. Then I would go to bottom right because I can, and then I would just go to top, and then all of them are aligned, solved relative to each other. So I would do that, so then they all look cool, and then they all look cool. So yeah, this took way longer than I thought it would. This is clock. It's very scary. Happy Halloween, and goodbye.